Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix and able to connect to virtual disk service error when opening disk management in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this small window called Run. Here you need to type for services dot msc. The moment you have typed that, click on OK and wait until a new window will appear. Okay, so once you are here at the services, you would be able to see a list of service and system, where here you need to scroll down and look for virtual disk. Again, scroll down and look for virtual disk. So I can see it here next to user profile service. Just have to select on it, do a right click. Afterwards, proceed with properties. And here, this window would appear, which contains virtual disk properties on your computer. Now here, you need to proceed with general. Scroll down and go with startup type. We need to change the startup type into automatic. How we can do so? So tap on this, go with automatic, click on apply, start it, and wait until this will be done. Once you have started it, click on OK, close this window, and check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate to your start icon, please do a right click and go with disk management. So it's now connecting to virtual disk service. You just have to wait and now it's working. Okay? So simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.